Bonjour à tous, welcome back to my channel Jamapil Anna. In this lesson we are going to learn about subject pronouns, that is les sujets pronoms. A lot of French learners have a problem in learning and understanding the pronouns, and this is the first very basic step in understanding the grammar, towards understanding the grammar. So what are subject pronouns? Let me be very clear. They are basically the performers of the sentence. What are performers of the sentence? The actors and the actresses of the sentence. The one who performs an action in a particular sentence. So let us first do all the singular subject pronouns. So the first subject pronoun we are going to do is je. Je means I. Simple, right? Yeah, it's very simple. I told you. Je means I. Tu means you. Now this tu is used informally. That is with the people of your age, your friends, your cousins, or somebody you know. Like singular. और हिंदी में हम तू भी बोलते हैं इसको, तू या तुम, right? So tu is called you, used for singular and informal. The next subject pronoun is il. Il means he and elle means she. So je, tu, il, elle. It's quite simple. Alright, so there is one more singular subject pronoun, that is on, o. But I don't want to confuse you right now with that. So I am just going to go with je, tu, il and elle. Now we are going to do plural subject pronouns. So the plural subject pronouns are nous, vous, il and elle. Il and elle is looking same but the spellings are different. NOUS is called V. Nu is called V. However, it is written as NOUS but pronounced as nu and the meaning is V. Let's come to vous. Vous also means you, but this time vous means for plural and for formal and for addressing someone elder. Now, for example, you meet your teacher and you have to address her. You cannot address her as tu. You have to address her as vous. So, tu and vous, both of these means you, but tu is for singular, informal, vous is for plural, formal. I hope you have understood. Alright, so next is il and elle. Written as ils but pronounced as il, masculine. Now for example, we are talking about two boys. Let's say Pedro and Philippe. So we will address them as il but write them as ils, ILS. Let's suppose we talk about two girls, Natalie and Caroline. So these are two girls, or it can be any plural girls also. I mean more than one girl. So we address them as L but written as Els, ELLES, but we address them as L. Now I know there is one very common doubt जो सबके ही दिमाग में आता है कि if there is a mixed group, as in two girls, three boys, let's say one boy, two girls, four girls, five boys, how we will address them? We will address them as il only, but written as ils, addressing them as il. I hope you have understood the subject pronouns, and I'm very happy to make you learn. It's always very exciting when I upload a video and to see so much love from you. Thank you so much everyone. Merci beaucoup. Happy learning. Stay safe and stay home.